Alright guys, I thought I might just do a quick video for you on this. So this right here is a Polaris Indy Light, 1993 Polaris Indy Light 340cc twin cylinder. The hood had cracked to pieces. It was literally in 3 sections. This section was mounted to by the hinges. This section was broken off, and then the last section that mounted the windshield there was also broken off of that section. So this hood was a hopeless wreck in 3 pieces. It just slowly cracked worse and worse over the years as I was riding it. And I had no hope of ever really fixing it because it was in such bad shape. But then I discovered the product called the hot stapler. And you probably know what that is. It's where you take these little staples. Let's see if I can show you one. Like this. You heat them up and melt them into the surface of plastic to sort of staple different pieces of plastic together. And as you can see, I've been putting them in here all along all the cracks. Some of them still have the tabs on them. I haven't cut them off yet. When you're done, you have to cut the tabs off, but I've done it there. I've done it all along these cracks here. You can see the crack is ridiculously long, and I've used a ton of staples. But what I've discovered is that it really works. Look at that. This hood is solid. I never thought it would be this solid again. It's solid. Even that place where there's a big hole in it that I haven't finished repairing yet, that spot is still solid too. So if you're thinking to use a hot stapler method to fix it, or to fix a hood that you've got, even if it's as bad off as this one, which it probably won't be because this one was exceptionally bad, you should be able to fix it. You should be able to get it fixed. You should be able to get it functional again. So I would definitely endorse the hot stapler method, and the hot stapler I bought was just a $25 one off eBay, just a cheap Chinese junk probably, and yet it's worked this well. So you don't have to go expensive, you don't have to go with a big one, you don't have to go with something professional or anything. So I would definitely endorse this method. It works. I don't know how long it's going to hold together because, of course, this hood is deeply structurally cracked. So I'm going to probably do a follow-up video at the end of winter, see how well it held up. But at this point, I'm far more optimistic about it holding up than I would have been. Much more optimistic than I thought I would have been. So, yeah, that's it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting videos on topics such as this one, and I'll see you next time.